Dream start for South Africa to the second super over. Done it with the banter, now Miller holds on to a catch.
Oh, you got to feel for them. The coach shaking his head. They've had their opportunities, have Afghanistan today. Keshav Maharaj has held his nerve. He's gone full and wide, bowling to his plan, bowling to the wide field. And it's a good catch this. It's a jumping catch. David Miller, who was out there with the bat, couple huge sixes, has now contributed in the field. And you just feel this game has now slipped away from Afghanistan.
Yeah, I'm with you, Dale Steyn. It really is. That first one was in a slot and he almost looked lazy and tired. Missed it.
Hulle moet 18 lopies kry om te wen, né? Ons het 17 geslaan, het ons nie? Ja, dis is ons ook net nou moes 18 lopies aan geteken het.
Ramanella Gavaz, come to the fore, my friend.
Feels like Groundhog Day, doesn't it? Ramanella Gurbaaz was outstanding earlier, but how's that from David Miller? Keshav Maharaj under pressure, being asked to bowl the second super over. 24 from 4. 4 sixes required. Gurbaaz on strike. We know he can strike it, but can he do it under pressure?
Just about done and dusted here with a super over of 2.
Wat maak hy?
Match, folks.
Straight down the ground. All the way
Sis.
for 6.
I love you.
Dis 3 balle oor in 'n rekord.
Can he? Can he do it? Prior to that delivery, 6. Too easy.
Yeah, Keshav just dropping it short, maybe thinking that Gurbaaz was going to come down the deck. This is the ball right now, guys. He's hit it! Is it a catch? Marco Jansen, it's gone for 6, it's another 6! What is happening? 12 of 2 required!
Ooh, here he is.
Okay, so hulle moet nou 2 6's slaan. As hulle nie nou 'n 6 slaan nie, wen ons.
Out there, slower.
Waar is hy? Soos 'n no ball of
Every time does Gurbaaz.
The
myself
situation
dan.
calls for a hero and
Waarskynlik het ons gaan wen, Boris. Waarskynlik het ons gaan wen.
12 from 2 required.
As hulle nie nou 'n 6 slaan nie.
Long off and long on back. Keshav Maharaj. He goes again. Wow!
Dit is 'n 6. Yes, hier is 'n nail biter. Dis 'n absolute nail biter.
No! I cannot anymore! 3 sixes!
Hy moet nou 'n 6 slaan.
Maharaj under massive pressure. Gurbaaz has come out. 3 huge sixes. It was a gamble. He picked up a wicket early, but now 6 of 1.
Kom Proteas, kom Proteas, kom Proteas.
Have you ever seen anything like this, Danny Morrison?
Well, the discussions are going on. The teacher, get a Yorker in. Maharaj, get him the toes.
Joker, 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 joker.
Final delivery. 6 required from 1.
Kom boetjies, kom boetjies, kom.
There's a huge potential. He doesn't need deep square. He's not going for 6 over there. He's looking down the ground right now. Wide ball.
Wait, ag nee man.
Wide ball means that a 4 will again.
Now listen,
Ek kan nie groter wide gebal nie.
come on.
Asai! Ons wen! Ons wen!
Shut up, fuck up.
What a finish in there with the ball.
Hallo, dat is aan te worden. Ik ben nog geen maar God.
But it's South Africa who win the second super over and take match 13.
Ons het gewen, papi, ons het gewen. Wees 'n bietjie bly man, kom nou man.
Maharaj holding his
Smile, papi.
full and wide.
Asai!
With a crucial catch again.
Ben je stil, ik wil niet